Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with this interesting video that I feel is most of us are experiencing during this pandemic, and it is how to feel mentally calm. If you're also feeling demotivated, exhausted and tired, make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's quickly start the video. So the first thing is doing something therapeutic. Now it could be anything like painting, cooking, baking, reading, or like just watering your plants. Just do anything you feel is therapeutic for you. So what I generally do is I love flowers. Whenever I go for walk like twice or thrice in a week, I go outside and bring lots of flower into my home and arrange them in these pretty looking vase and glasses. I really feel this thing very therapeutic. I just play some meditating music in the background and start doing this thing in the morning. This half an hour of time I spend on me, on my mental health, to stay calm throughout the day, and this looks so beautiful at the end. This instantly like change the whole vibe of the room. During the whole process I just forget about everything else and I just focus on this thing. Look at this, everything looks so beautiful. I arrange all the flowers and then go ahead and put them in their respective places. By doing this I feel really calm and so happy. Doing something therapeutic will help you clear your mind and make you feel really happy about yourself. And I also love the smell of dhoop. Oh my god, I just love that smell. I make sure to light it every morning and evening at my home. I feel so relaxed with the smell of this dhoop. So when everything is put together, it really helps you change the vibe of you and your home both. So make sure to try this. Moving on to the third one, learn new form of art. Before few days, I attended a workshop which teaches how to make macrame products. Macrame products are my recent obsession. I just loved making it. Macrame is going famous in India too now. So I ordered some 3 to 4 kgs of macrame thread to make some new products for myself. So this way you will be like really busy in doing some form of art that you cannot think of what going outside the world. For those who don't know what is macrame, let me tell you, it is a knotting method. By knotting things we can make like very beautiful products. So this is the coaster I am trying and it turned out quite pretty also. When doing this, your whole focus needs to be on the thing you're doing. This will not allow you to think anything else except doing this. So yes, make it a point to learn something new during this time. This will help you to be away from all the distraction in the world. And yes, I have done a pretty decent job, I think. So yes, moving on to the third one. Third one is journaling. Journaling is something that helps you declutter your mind and improves your mindfulness. So every morning I make it a point to sit down and write the gratitude journal. It surely helps me to focus only on the things I want to. And I also light up a candle because it totally creates a good ambience, that smell and everything. This time of the day is my favorite, I must say. I don't use any expensive fancy journaling book. I just use a simple notebook to write. If you are someone who is dealing with anxiety or stress, make sure to write gratitude journal every day. It will surely help you deal with your stress. I almost completed my whole diary. People say journaling before bed is a really effective way. but I write whenever I have time. And the next one is helping people with food. Ever since the pandemic has started, I am trying to do my bit. I'm trying to provide food to the people who cannot manage to have homely cooked food. So here in my husband's office, there are so many bachelor people who are living away from their family and cannot manage home cooked food on their own, and they are also affected by corona. So here in my husband's office, they have taken the number of few people who can help them by providing food. So yes, we have given our number, and whenever someone needs food, home cooked food, they call us one day before so that we can arrange food for them and send them home cooked food. So I really feel very satisfied by doing my bit in this whole pandemic. I don't do this regularly, but yes, once in a week or twice in a week, the calls will come for like some 2 to 3 people's food they need, like for lunch and dinner. Because so many other people are there who are willing to help. They have also provided their number. So when my turns come, it will be like हफ्ते में एक बार I provide food. So by doing this, at the end of the day, you feel really good that at least you're helping someone by doing something. There are so many people who need help in this time. So try to do your part of the job. I don't do anything fancy. I just provide that regular food that I cook in my home. By doing this, at the end of the day, you yourself will feel really happy that you have done your bit. I just made some 2 vegetable curries, some sprouts, and then basic chawal, dal and roti. So they can have this in lunch and as well as in dinner. I'll pack everything and keep it so that a concerned person will come and take this away. Try doing this. I'm sure at the end you will have that feeling of satisfaction after doing this. And the last one is indulge yourself in DIY. Doing DIY projects is a great way to distract yourself from that stressful news or those things which are like simply out of your control. Doing this will allow you to be more active, and you will enjoy the empowering feeling of creating something of your own. Even if you are not good at doing something, just pick up a very easy one. There are so many tutorials on YouTube. Go watch them and try out. And at the end, the satisfaction that comes with creating something using your own 2 hands is something else. So here I am doing a very simple DIY. This is an empty pickle jar which was laying in the kitchen for too long. So I have decided to take this and draw some pattern on it. And then I have so much of jute rope left. So I will use that to make it look much pretty. So you can also try this DIY. This is really simple. And you can put your pickle jar to some good use also. Ever since the pandemic has started, we are just hearing and watching stressed news daily, and that is making all of us mentally exhausted and mentally tired to an extent that we are not even able to get done our daily chores. So try to find your own way to stay calm and positive. I hope this video was useful to all of you, and if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.